Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you how you can embed your Lightdash dashboards in your app. So I want to embed our sales pipeline dashboard into another app. So I will make sure that I select it here and also make sure that it's an allow dashboard, which means that it's embeddable. And after I select this, and I can set a few more settings, but I'm happy with the default. I am provided with a code snippet. So we have code snippets for Node.js, Python, and Go. And for this demo, we'll use the Node.js version. And before we get into the IDE, I'm going to show you an example of an app that will basically get the embedded URL and insert it here on an iframe. So what I want to do is once I click on this button, I want to see the embedded dashboard here. So I copy the code and I'm going to go now to the IDE. And what exactly is this app? So this is an Express Node server and some vanilla JavaScript and HTML. And I'm going to use an endpoint implementation for this. So I just pasted the code snippet and I have this generate token request. And this is basically all set up for me now, except for the secret. So we need to grab the secret from up top here. So I'm going to copy it, and you want to store it somewhere safe, you know? You want to make sure that you use like environment variables or something, and so that this is not exposed. Once this is pasted and the secret is then replaced, all this will do is it will return a URL with a token. So essentially it's authorizing the dashboard for you. And we want to return this URL so that then we can show it on our client. So just to recap on the example, when I click on this button, I want to see this here, the dashboard. So for the first task, we want to set up a button click handler. So whenever we click on the button, it will call the endpoint generate token. So let's start with that. So it will call generate token and it's of method post. And yeah, we can set a content type to application JSON, and then we'll wait for the data to be converted to JSON. And yeah, this data will have this URL, data will be an object that has a URL property, right? So once that's done and we create an iframe, we set the iframe source to the data URL. So once I save all of this, and I'm going to restart my server because I made a few changes. Once I save this and I refresh the page and I click on get token and generate embed URL, what that will do is it will get the URL from the endpoint. It will, on the client, read that URL and set it as the source of the iframe that I have. And as you can see here, now I have the sales pipeline that I wanted to embed in my app. So yeah, that's it.